Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a full guide on, not a full, but just a beginner notation guide. It's not going to be all the notations because I will actually be doing a tutorial on how to solve the cube later, in a couple of days, and I'll just tell you the notations you need for that tutorial, so, and some extra ones. So basically you just have to remember R for right, L for left, U for up, D for down, B for back, F for front, and M for middle. Just remember, if you want to turn the face, and just figure out if it's up, down, in the front, and then, yeah, the first letter of the word is the notation. This is M, because it's in the middle. R, L, U, B, F, and D. It is basically all of these side, centers, whatever, clockwise. That is, and if there is an apostrophe after it, it is called prime. Blank prime. So it will go the counterclockwise. And then you have R2. U2 blank. That just means 2 times in any direction, so you don't have to worry which direction as long as it goes twice. That's pretty much it, other than the other notations you don't need as of now, but I will see you on the next one. But before you leave, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, so if anytime I make a new video, you will be